What up? It's phatphil, stranded on the Canadian border in the snow. What can I say? But I'm in my truck, got all the conveniences of home except for the home part. Check it out. Here's my sleeping quarters. Here's my bed. Pretty comfortable. Nice air mattress. Ton of pillows. Got my surround sound. Big old flat screen. HD TV. Microwave. Refrigerator. Stocked up pretty good. And got the laptop online, watching the course of weather right now. I got the live radar, so all that snow right where I'm at. And this is what it looks like outside my truck right now. Yeah, it's all snow. It's been snowing like hell up here the last couple days. It's been stranded. Here's the machine that I'm hauling. Show it to you here. But till the snow goes away, there I am. Till the snow goes away and the roads clear up, this is where I'm staying. I need to shave. Peace out.